Hey guys, Alex here from This Cob House, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about developing various different skill sets as they relate to construction and building. So most people on this channel are interested in building a cob house or some type of earthen wall system building, and that's generally what I talk about. But there's so many more skills that go into actually constructing a cob house, a rammed earth house, or any kind of building. Just knowing how to build the cob walls is very important, but it's only one aspect of that building. There are several other components, and if you don't know how to do those components, you're going to have to get help or hire out help for those other parts. So what I want to encourage you through this talk is just to start developing your other skill sets. If you could only do one other skill set, I would focus on carpentry work. Carpentry is going to play an integral role in every aspect of your construction, apart from the cob walls. The foundation, for example, if you're doing a concrete foundation, you're going to have to use carpentry to build the formwork that the concrete pours into. If you do windows and doors, you need carpentry for installation. If you're going to make your own windows and doors, obviously you need carpentry for that. You're going to need carpentry skills for the roofing, and pretty much every other aspect apart from the electrical and plumbing. So once you have some carpentry skills, then maybe you can look into the other skills like masonry and electrical, plumbing, all the other skill sets like that. But there's so much that goes into actually constructing a building, and I know a lot of people who want to do a cob house or any kind of natural building structure. They're usually do-it-yourself builders or want to be a do-it-yourself builder. So I just want people to know that there's a lot of other skills that are required to do a proper building. Unless you want to hire out the help, that's okay, but it's going to be a lot more expensive. So that's one reason why on this channel now I'm trying to implement more of other skill sets, because it all ties together. Just knowing how to do the cob walls is obviously important if you want to do a cob house, but you have to have these other skills. So I just want to start talking about other skills that are related and try to tie it all together so that you have a more holistic perspective to what it takes to actually build any kind of house or any kind of structure. So that's basically my message today, is just start to build up your other skill sets. Take it step by step. You don't have to learn it overnight, but over time your skills will grow, your confidence will grow with your carpentry, for example, and your other skills. And once you're ready to build a building, those skills are really going to help you out and come in handy. So that's all I wanted to say. Guys, be safe, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.